Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson and we're back with a new tutorial for this messy updo. I'm going to show you another braiding technique, but first of all you do in a square shape 4 ponytails on the top of the head. You're going to split these ponytails into 4 equal strands and we're going to do a 4-strand braid. Bring the left over and under and then the right under and over the neighbor, and again over and under and under and over, and you do this until the very end. Then I'm using some hairspray because I'm going to pull the outer edges, feather them out, make the braid bigger and loosen it up. If you pull like this, you see how wide it becomes, and then tie off and secure this braid with a little clear elastic. We're doing the same thing on the right ponytail, but this time you start to bring over from the right hand side. Right over and under, left under and over. Make sure to repeat this in your head. Over, under, over, over, under and over. This until the end. Then again some hairspray. You can also use powder if you have that, and pull the outer edges, and pancake your braid. That just means to make it wider. Secure with an elastic and do exactly the same thing on the other 2 braids. Remember, when you're braiding on the right hand side, you start with the right strand over and under. So right comes over, under and over until the very end, over and under and over. And this you repeat until you can secure it with a hair elastic. It is really helpful to use some hairspray when you want to pull it out, because that makes that the hairs stick together and the feather just looks, or the pancaking just looks neater, and the braid gets wider without opening up. You don't get holes while you're pulling out. When you part hair, you can always feel if you have the same thickness of strand. So we're coming from the left, so left goes over, under, and then right, under and over. Again, over and under the neighbor and over the next neighbor. You always have to imagine that you travel with one strand from one side to the other. Do this until the very end. This time I first secure with an elastic. Often I do this as the last step before I pancake, but it was okay like this too. So whatever is best for you, you can try both things. Now I'm doubling the braid. I flip it and I bring the end through the elastic from the ponytail. Take your time and make sure that you bring always the elastic, the clear elastic, through the base of the ponytail, because like this you make sure that it won't slip back. Do this with all 4 braids. Look that they're just once folded, not turned within. And then I'm just braiding the middle a bit. I don't want the ends to stick out later under my big messy bun. And I use some bobby pins just to secure it. Now we're taking the diagonally loop and we bring it over the base of the braid and pull it so that we can hide the base. We do exactly the same thing with the other 2. that are diagonally in front of each other. Pull the braid and hide it under the ponytail. What we're going to do now is to pull on our edges. So we used the hairspray already before, and we can shape our bun. This is the final result. Look at this. This looks messy but intricate, and I really love the result. If you're new on our channel, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you back soon. Bye bye.